Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to product listing in Shopify. So simply open the products menu, just click here, and now after that when you open the products, so here you can see we have all products available here. So now if you want to list them according to your choice, then you can easily list them with the tag name, like you can see here, and you can also list them by status. So here you can see you can also list them by collections and availability. So you can use all these options to list the products. So here you can also sort them like according to name and according to alphabets. So in this way you can easily list your all products in Shopify.